Hello everyone, we'll make amazing chocolate sandwich with 3 ingredients only. One of the best chocolate sandwich you can make with 3 ingredients only, and I'm sure you have it all at home. And if you don't have it at all, I will tell you how to do it. The most beautiful biscuit sandwich in 5 minutes. We make it together. Keep tuned. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I go all over the world just to bring you amazing, easy recipe from the source. See, this is 3 ingredients: 100 gram butter, 40 gram condensed milk. So only the cream, 100 gram unsalted butter with 40 gram condensed milk. So if you don't have condensed milk, how to do it? I will leave you in the description box below the link how to make the condensed milk with 2 easy method. We just with a spoon to make it soft, and then I use the whisk to make it more softer. That's it. Your cream is ready. And this cream is long shelf life because everything is not expire easily. I don't need it really soft. I need it just soft. You can see the texture. Then here we go. We bring the biscuit. You can use spatula, as you see, and just spread it all over and stick to. So this you can use it. I use Biscuit Marie, which is very famous, or digestive biscuit, and both biscuit you can do it in the channel. And if you wanted to make Oreo biscuit, please write in the comment below. If I find 300 comment Oreo, I will make so easy recipe of the Oreo for you. Fill the cream, make sure the biscuit exactly identify, and the other way you just keep in piping back and make roll. As you see, the whole cream the same size and same thickness, and then you stake it all. Now you fill all the biscuit. Make sure they are exactly on top of each other, no increase. Here we go, 150 gram dark chocolate 55. You can use white chocolate, you can use dark chocolate, you can use whatever you want. And then we dip it in the chocolate after we make it tempering, because very important to make tempering for the chocolate. First, it will crystallize faster. Second, it will have shiny all the time. Here we go. You can dip all the biscuit or all sandwich. Yes. And when you shake it, it's take all bubbles and the extra chocolate out. So this is the best way to make the chocolate. After that, I make line up or stripe with the dark chocolate or whatever you want to make decoration. This is the video. I hope you like it today. Please leave the comment, and if you see the video is useful, share it with your friend and leave the comment. And if you shy to leave a comment, please make like, help us to grow. Thank you so much.